Well, this is where I'm crashing for now until I can save up enough money to figure out what I want to do next. I'm thinking I'm probably going to end up buying a camper van eventually and messing with this. But as you can see, I don't have a ton of room, but I got enough for now. Bought myself some slippers the other day. Got my little slippers for when it's warm, when it's cold out, and I don't have my feet on there. Yeah. So this is the first video of what I've been doing here. Just trying to get myself situated and figure out what's up. Just trying to get myself situated and figure out what I'm gonna do next.